First, you need your knee pads, your elbow pads, your helmet, and your gloves to keep you safe. First, you're going to put your front leg on the front of the board like this. Your second leg will stay here to push, like this. If it goes any slower, you can push it with this leg. This is learning how to turn left and right. If you want to turn left, toes down. And if you want to turn right, toes up. And always remember to bend your knees.
How you doing?
Oh, hi Grandma. We're making a YouTube video. Peace. Love ya.
Nice. All right, back. One more time.
One more time.
One more time. This is the last one.